Hello guys, this is Nancy Punjabi and welcome back to Studio by Edusquadz. A lot of you are aware about the Note software which is available in the with OPS or without OPS panel. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Bytello class, and for that you do not have to purchase a with OPS panel with a lot of kharcha. No, you do not have to do that. You get that inbuilt inside this without OPS panel. Behind me you can see is the Androids without OPS panel, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of Bytello class, how this can transform your real-time experience in legitimate sense. So let's get started. So this is the screen you receive after opening Bytello class. From here you can also, just to tell you, from here you can link your Microsoft account, login account, and that's not of much use right now. So from the more option, all of the tools and features and all of the whatever, everything is in the more section itself. Now let's begin with shapes. So for shapes, you get these many shapes. All of these are 2D shapes. For example, I'm selecting a square. I'll draw this. I guess we can also change and fill the colors from here. Horrible combination. I guess blue and green go well. Yeah. So this, you can also fill the colors in the shapes, which is very interesting and very collaborative in my opinion. Just like that, you can select multiple shapes here. You also have star, hexagon, pentagon, etc. You also have arrows. This is a dotted line, I guess. Here you also get a mini board, which is typically a white board, just like a green board, digital board, white board, or a blackboard. This is a whiteboard you receive and you can annotate on it. You can explain and teach your students using that. Here also you get a live option of timer. You can drag it anywhere up to the screen. You can start countdown. Wow. Let's set a countdown of, okay, 4, 3. Oh, I guess it was seconds, guys. I'm fooled. After that, we get subjective tools, which is the USP of Bytello class. I'll show you why. First and foremost, my favorite is the planet. Yes, the solar system. You get solar system, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, everything. For example, Earth, Bharat Mata, you get a 3D Earth live here. You can teach your students, look, I spotted India. I guess we can write on it also. And you can also change the color. For example, for river, it has already been blued, but I can say this is the Andaman and Lakshadweep Island, or we can also underline it with green for the Himalayas or whatever, for the border line. So you get a 3D. Guys, let's remove this quickly. You get a 3D. You can also fill it in, zoom out. I don't know why I find this very spectacular, and you will also find it very helpful. Guys, we also have sun. Look, wow. This looks amazing. Look how cute is this. And one more thing, this is the stylus, obviously, and we all know we can erase it using a palm touch, but also it also has the option of clear all. You just have to slide it and the whole screen will be cleared automatically with just one slide. Next we get geometrical tools. For example, I'm selecting a cuboid, a cube, my bad. I'll draw a cube. You must be wondering what is this. Now I'll select okay, I made a 3D cube here, and this doesn't stop here. We can also fill the colors. I'll show you how nice it looks. For example, this or this. You can also fill color and you can make your own 3D shapes live in this Bytello class. We also get the option of ruler. Alongside, we also get the option of compass. And these are some mathematical tools which you also get in Note software. So these are also available here. Next, we get formulas. Now this is the option for which Bytello class is used most for. It has, I'll show you why. It has some common formulas inbuilt where you can select and insert it directly on your document. For example, I'm selecting from fractions here and it will be written here, and just by selecting insert, it will automatically appear on your document and you can start annotating directly with that. Accompanied with that, you also get some basic and logical and special symbols for mathematical operations, and plus we also have some common formulas which are used in a lot of subjects like logarithms, radical, script, trigonometry. Trigonometry is very nice, which is lot used. You get all of tan, cos, theta, sine, everything. We also have a live inbuilt periodic table. You just have to select on this and the whole table will be appeared here. Wow. You do not have to literally take any trouble. The whole periodic table is inbuilt here, and plus you can also annotate on it. I'll show you. We can also customize it from here. All elements, we can also customize it into a main group, and you can also organize into 1 to 20 elements like that. You cannot annotate it on it currently, but you can select a particular element like fluorine, nitrogen and phosphorus. Now whenever the chapter comes which have the use of graphs in it, graph papers, teachers usually face issues and problems with communicating real time. Like if I'm having a graph paper, I'll have to manually go to every student and teach them, and I'll have to show them. I do not have any precise tool for that, but with Bytello you have. Just with this function, you have literally all the chapters also. Just a sec. Linear, quadratic, power, exponent, logarithm, trigon. Like I'll go for linear pair, and you can also type the equation here and you can insert it. Like this is very easy for a teacher to explain the student with the help of this inbuilt graph. Like this is something very useful for teachers. Guys, this was Bytello class and I hope you found this helpful. Now you do not have to trouble yourself in terms of finance or money. For using tools like this, you do not have to go for a with OPS panel and increase your expenditure. You can simply purchase a without OPS panel where you get note as well as Bytello classes. You can purchase this panel from us by contacting us on the number mentioned below. Edusquadz provides the best services and we also do installation at your own doorstep. So do not leave this video without liking or subscribing the channel, and make sure to share this video with your other friends. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you guys in the next video.